So I just unboxed this Amazon hair kit, and it looks like it has 4 little threaders. It has a bunch of beads, hair beads. This looks like a comb and some other stuff in there. A little rat tail comb and probably more things to help you thread through the beads. And a big pack of black rubber bands. So I am going to try to do a little something with my hair. The whole purpose of me getting these was to get some weight on the ends of my hair in order to help them stretch and grow. So I will see how it goes. Oh, and it all came in this little box right here. Just a plain little box from Amazon. And that's the information. All right, so I will try to do a little style and see what happens.